All right, now we are left with questions 14 to 17. Question number 14. Suggestion for improving trade in the future. As I mentioned before, look for last paragraph. Suggestion for improving trade in the future. Future means will, would. Go to last paragraph. Find a sentence with will, would, or anything future. Suggestion for improving trade in the future. Paragraph I, last line. Bringing these barriers down would help world's economies grow even closer, grow even closer. So bringing these barriers down, what is it? This is a suggestion. Bringing these barriers down would help world's economies grow even closer. That is a suggestion for improving trade in the future. What is the word for future? Would help. Would help is future. So question number 14, answer is I. Question number 15, effects of introduction of electronic delivery. Paragraph F. Yes, we have done that. So what is the word for it? Computer software can be exported without ever loading it onto a ship, simply by transmitting it over telephone lines. Transmitting over telephone line means electronic delivery, and those telephonic lines means internet. So question number 15, answer is F. Question number 16, similar cost involved in transporting a product from abroad and from local supplier. You know it already. You read it. You import something from another country or you buy from another part of Singapore, price is same. Paragraph E for elephant. Yes, please. Let's read it. Fourth line. Fourth line, computer manufacturers in Japan or Texas will not face hugely bigger freight bill if they import drives from Singapore rather than purchasing them on the domestic market. So similar cost involved in transporting a product from abroad or from a local supplier. So my advice is to read these questions first and do them last, because now you are familiar with the passage, you can answer easily. Question number 17, weakening relationship between value of goods and cost of delivery. Weakening relationship between value of goods and cost of delivery. Just look for something worth, price, worth. Yeah, weakening relationship between the value of goods and cost. Weakening relationship between value of goods and their cost. Paragraph D for doctor. Paragraph D for doctor. Okay, now please come to last line of paragraph D. As a result, less transportation is required for every dollar's worth of imports or exports. Less transportation is required for every dollar's worth of imports or export. Come back. Weakening relationship between value of goods and the cost of their delivery. Now come back, I tell you why. As a result, less transportation is required. Now, if they say more transportation is required for every dollar's worth of imports or export, what do they mean? If things are more, you need to pay less money. For example, if you send 1 kg parcel, price is more. If you send 20 kg parcel, now in comparison with 1 kg and 20 kg, price is less, right? So when they say as a result, less transportation is required for every dollar's worth of import or export, means if you increase the dollar here, then the cost will be reduced. So the relationship between the value of goods means every dollar and the cost of their delivery, that is weak relationship. Weak means, you have more goods, you pay less amount. Okay, you have less goods. For example, if you send a parcel to USA through DHL, a small parcel, it'll take more money. In the same amount, you can send a big box through shipment by sea, so it will take less amount. So the relationship is weak, means more things will take less money and fewer things will take more money. The relation between the transport cost and the value of the good, that is weak. For question number 17, paragraph D, last line, as a result, less transportation is required for every dollar's worth of imports or exports. Okay,